the next round. Is our next pair getting ready to go, and this ought to be something. Mr. John Kemp, here on the BP side of the drag strip. 68 Chevrolet bright orange Camaro on the bottle. He will be playing off against the bad boy, Mr. N2O out of Gilbert, South Carolina. His 68 Camaro yesterday set the #1 qualifying position, went 389 with a 5 and 191.05 mile per hour. Yes, this thing is a bullet. Hands down, Mr. Ed Hoover truly has a bad ride and he can't drive it. So Kemp, could he be the upset? We've seen it happen quite a bit. Oh no, looks like Kemp's got a problem. So Ed Hoover sits and waits. I'll tell you what, Hoover is that blower machine. That is one bad ride. Somebody had to force that thing in the gear to go backwards. Apparently he'll go forward. He will be taking on Mr. Ed Hoover.